All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the truth comes out about your shop in these tough times. I'm sure if you've been on any sort of social media, you've seen the, well, viral hate thrown at a particular Nissan dealership in Louisiana, I believe. If you haven't, it comes down to basically they're screwing over their employees. And that's the thing. During this time, you get to see how your shop deals with this kind of situation. Now, I've said it several times and I'll say it again. The shop owner here is taking care of us. He's not screwing us. He's, making sure we've got money to feed our family, even though times are tough. And if you're in a situation where you're working at a shop and they're not taking care of you during this time, it kind of sheds some light on who you work for. If they're not willing to take care of you during some rough times, they're not going to take care of you the rest of the time, now are they, really? When it comes to this kind of stuff, you have to look at your shop and how they're dealing with everything. Now, every shop's going to be different. You can't do a blanket statement of they're not doing this for you, they're evil. You have to look at the situation of the shop. A small two-bay shop's probably not going to be able to float payroll for, 2 technicians, a service writer, when they're not billing much. Now, our governor has decided to open the state back up to some extent. Not going to get into the politics of it, but that should help our, the business. Don't know. We've picked up in the amount of business we're getting, so it's getting better, but we gotta, you've been shown a light of how your shop deals with this kind of stuff. You're gonna have to, you're gonna have to look at it and decide if everything that's happened, is it worth staying at that shop? I talked about it in a video a couple weeks ago. A lot of technicians are probably gonna get out of this industry because of what's going on. There's gonna be opportunities out there, and shop owners should have taken care of their employees. If nothing else, furlough them so they can get full unemployment, or compensate them for being there covering the shop. That's what they should be doing, not necessarily what they're doing, but it does shed a light on whether or not you should continue working there after things go back to the new normal. It's up to you on whether or not your shop is taking care of you. I can't sit there and go, oh, if they didn't do this, I just can't. Hopefully a lot of shop owners took care of their technicians. This video is useless, but I'm betting there's a lot of places like that Nissan dealership that have basically, not my problem, so good luck. Definitely, when things even out, if you're unhappy in how you were treated, you might be looking around. The shops that took care of their technicians, I'm betting they're not looking for jobs. Definitely something to consider after we get back to the new normal. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.